Customer experience has become a really big initiative with corporations, and it's really started at the C-level and oftentimes at the CEO. And what companies are trying to do is really get closer to their consumers so they understand exactly what they think, feel, and do in each step of the process as they make decisions to buy and use different products and brands. Customer experience is important to corporations and brands because it helps them understand the buyer journey in more detail. It starts really at the need state, why does somebody want to buy a good product or service, and takes them all the way through the product purchase decision and even post-product to understand the satisfaction or the dissonance with the product itself. So this can have an impact on your sales over time. You've built a bigger brand franchise, you've got more customers who are loyal to your product, and you're bringing more in because your product is constantly and continuously refined over the feedback process you get from the customer experience loop. Online Qual is uniquely suited to support customer experience initiatives. Ideally, because most of these initiatives are longitudinal in nature, and Online Qual allows you to embed yourself in that customer's life, not only digitally, but also emotionally, so that they are experiencing the product and then being able to report back on the feelings, thoughts, actions, etc. that they have as they use the product or interact with the product over time. For example, using Online Qual with customer experience, you can run a longitudinal study. Some of these might be 6 months, some might be 12 months, and you're actually having people report back on basically a daily basis or a weekly basis on whatever interactions, emotions, feelings they might have with the brand. Online tools offer you many options to embed yourself with the consumer, but one of the nice things you can do over that longitudinal time period is to have them report in the moment, via mobile activities. Some of these might be video, some of these may be pictures, there may be some combination of quant and qual questions with that as well. Customer experience can also be monitored via regular journaling and diary entries, via, again, mobile devices or desktop, laptop, or tablet, where they can actually report back, in the moment as things happen. So if somebody goes to the store and sees something that catches their eye, they can give you a short little video clip or a picture and a written explanation of exactly what happened that touched their emotions or caught their attention at that point in time. Online Qual is by far the best tool to get at the customer experience over a period of time. Again, it allows you to embed yourself in that customer's life to get rich and detailed data, feedback, insights at multiple periods of time over, again, usually a 6 or 12-month period of time. No other tool allows you to get that kind of continuous, in-the-moment feedback about emotions, feelings, decision-making as they actually happen in the marketplace.